Ever since its discovery, homeopathy has always been into controversies. Its reliability and potential to sustain under the lights of existing modern scientific theories has remained as a puzzle. For this same reason, we, as a system, has been facing critics and allegations since long, especially from those who claim to be modern scientists. Now here we have two things to consider. One, do we have an answer to these critics? And second, do we need to answer these critics? Now let's go back to the history and try to understand as to from where does their so-called scientific theories emerge from. This is how it happens. A man who may call himself as a scientist observes a phenomena or incidence or occurrence, and then he works further on it and then forms a theory. He collects enough evidence and experience to support his findings and theory, and then it is submitted for a review. A set of so-called modern scientists sit around a table and discuss on the new findings. Finally, if majority of them agree and go with the new findings, it is declared as a law and the earlier one is discarded. Few years after, another scientist may observe the same phenomena or occurrence or incidence, and then he works on it and comes up with a new finding contradicting the existing one. Again, table discussions happen, and if the new findings are approved by those sitting around the table, it is then accepted as the new law and the earlier one is discarded. And hence, it is said that science has always been self-correcting. Till date, various such theories and laws were proposed, accepted, modified and discarded too. What they believe today is entirely based on their scientific findings till date, and that need not remain the same in future. Every system is based on certain basic laws, theories and principles which form the foundation of that entire system. How can they claim to be modern and scientific when they do not have a steady foundation, when their theories and principles keep on changing with time? How reliable are their existing ones? It is said and believed that truth never changes, and hence something that is formed on the basis of truth shall remain unchanged too. Our basic laws, theories and principles have remained unchanged for all these years because it is based on truth, which makes our system much more stable and reliable than those who call themselves as modern and most scientific. Our basic literature has all the answers for each and every query, critic or allegation that we face today. But the fact is that majority of us have blindfolded ourselves with self-ego and fear of being proved wrong, thereby ignoring the truth. And the bitter truth is that we have not made a sincere attempt to understand the organon and philosophy. As Dr. Kent has rightly said, all men are prejudiced. If we can come out of our prejudices, false beliefs and perceptions, then we will be able to explore the vast potential of this wonderful art of healing.